No blinker? Well, there's your second one right there. I don't need to. You didn't use a blinker. You're not going to treat me like this.
Okay.
I'm calling it. You blocked my traffic. You blocked me from going through, and I have that right. We should get your supervisor here right now.
Okay. Can I help you with something?
Yep. Because your professionalism and how you just drove and how I have it on camera, I want your supervisor here. I'm a taxpayer. You can do your job right. Treat your body cam on. All right. You didn't use your blinker. You're blocking traffic. You're not in professional capacity. You're still blocking traffic.
If you keep yelling and pointing your finger at me, you're going to be detained in handcuffs. Okay.
I want to make a complaint on you for blocking traffic, and then for you not using your blinker, and for you driving erratically. Get your supervisor. I don't need to say no more to you until your supervisor here. Federally, if you're violating my rights, I'm going to sue out of you. I tell you what, you better get a CIT officer here too, because you disrespecting me like that, you being a disrespectful punk like that, it will not tolerate it. You're going to lose your job.
All right, sir.
Is this supervisor coming? If you